I never snitch on daddy.
Daddy, I was a smash on the bitch for the daddy.